there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another epic episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the sky-high world of drones. On the left, we've got the budget-friendly DroneEye F10 foldable drone, and on the right, the high-flyer Tomzon P5G GPS drone. Let's see which one is worth your hard-earned cash, shall we? Ready, set, let's get droning. First up, let's talk cameras. The DroneEye F10 boasts a 1080p FPV camera. It's like giving your eyes a pair of glasses from the dollar store. Good enough, but don't expect to see every leaf on a tree. Reviewers have mixed feelings about the camera quality, with some noting it doesn't quite reach the advertised resolution. Meanwhile, the Tomzon P5G flexes with a 4K UHD camera. That's right, 4K. This baby will capture every wrinkle on your grandma's face from 985 feet away. Reviewers love the stunning visuals it produces, making it a favorite for aerial photography. Now, let's talk about the dreaded P word: price. The DroneEye F10 is only $79. It's like the fast food of drones. Cheap, quick, and it gets the job done. Reviewers appreciate its value for money, especially for beginners. The Tomzon P5G, however, comes in at $159. It's more like the steak dinner. Pricey, but oh so worth it. Many reviewers feel it's worth every penny for its advanced features and superior build quality. So are you feeling thrifty or fancy? All right, feature time. The DroneEye F10 can do 360 degrees flips, high-speed rotations, and follow a path you draw on the app. It's like the drone equivalent of that friend who can do backflips at parties. Cool, but kinda showing off. Reviewers enjoy these fun features, although some have had issues with stability. The Tomzon P5G, on the other hand, offers GPS auto-return, follow-me mode, and custom path flight. Basically, it's a personal assistant in the sky. Reviewers praise its intelligent flight modes and reliability. Need I say more? Ease of use is crucial, especially if you're a newbie. The DroneEye F10 is super beginner-friendly with its one-key start landing and altitude hold features. Great for kids or your clumsy uncle who can't even handle a TV remote. Many reviewers highlight its simplicity as a major plus. The Tomzon P5G, however, is also beginner-friendly, but packs in more advanced features like a high-precision GPS system and 30 meters range beginner mode. Reviewers find it easy to get started with, though some had initial syncing issues. It's like the difference between riding a bike with training wheels and driving a Tesla. Battery life, the Achilles heel of all drones. The DroneEye F10 doesn't specify its battery life, but let's just say you'll be landing it as often as your ex texts you back. Rarely. Some reviewers noted impressive battery life, while others faced issues with it dying mid-flight. The Tomzon P5G, though, offers a whopping 36 minutes of flight time with its 2 batteries. That's like binge-watching an entire episode of your favorite show while flying. Reviewers are thrilled with its long-lasting power. Talk about multitasking. Lastly, build and portability. The DroneEye F10 is foldable, making it easy to stuff in your backpack. It's the pocket knife of drones. Reviewers appreciate its portability, though some have concerns about durability. The Tomzon P5G comes with a waterproof carrying case, so you can take it everywhere without a care. It's like carrying a mini suitcase for your flying buddy. Plus, it weighs less than 250 grams, so no FAA registration required. Reviewers love the convenience and build quality. Score! Summing it up, the DroneEye F10 is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and fun features, making it a solid choice for beginners and casual flyers. However, it has mixed reviews on camera quality and battery life. On the other hand, the Tomzon P5G wins hearts with its stunning 4K camera, advanced flight features, and long battery life. Although some users faced initial syncing issues, the overall sentiment is highly positive, especially for those seeking more advanced capabilities. So there you have it, smart shoppers. The DroneEye F10 is your go-to for a budget-friendly, fun ride, while the Tomzon P5G is for those who want to splurge on top-notch features and longer flight time. Which one are you picking? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smart buying tips. Until next time, keep shopping smart. Product links are in the description.